Have you ever wished you could wake up tomorrow and just speak English? To understand movies, to have a conversation, to feel that confidence?
I think every learner has that dream, but it feels so far away, right? Like you need to study for years and years.
What if I told you that big, exciting progress isn't about time? It's about how you spend that time. Welcome back to Speak English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today, we're not just talking about learning English. We are going to give you a clear, simple plan to help you learn English faster than you think is possible.
That's right. This is for everyone who feels stuck or just starting and doesn't know where to begin. We'll share secrets, habits, and real things you can do today. So, are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, Paul, let's start with a big question. Why does learning English feel slow sometimes?
Hmm, I think people try to learn too many things at once. They open a textbook, see all the grammar rules and thousands of words, and feel overwhelmed.
Yes, overwhelmed. That's the perfect word. It's like trying to drink water from a fire hose. You get soaked, but you're not really refreshed. So, secret number one is focus on less to learn more.
Focus on less? But there's so much to learn.
I know it sounds strange, but think about a baby learning to talk. They don't start with long sentences, they start with sounds, then words like mama, milk, no. They use what they need right now. So we should do the same.
So what should we focus on first?
Fantastic question. Start with survival English. These are the phrases you need every single day, like hello, how are you? Thank you so much. Can you help me? I don't understand. How much does this cost?
Oh, that makes sense. Small, powerful phrases you can use immediately.
Exactly. Learning 20 of these phrases is better than trying to memorize 200 random words from a list. Because when you learn the phrase, can you help me, you're learning 3 words together, in the right order, for a real situation. Your brain remembers stories and situations better than lonely words.
That is a great tip. So step one, learn the phrases you need for everyday life. Don't worry about complicated grammar yet.
Precisely. Which brings us to secret number two. Your mouth needs to practice.
My mouth?
Yes, your mouth is a muscle. To make new English sounds, one needs exercise. Many learners only read and listen, but they are afraid to speak. But speaking is the fastest way to make English feel natural.
But what if I'm alone? I don't have someone to practice with.
You can practice with yourself. It's called self-talk. It's the best zero-pressure practice. For example, right now, you can look around your room and say what you see in simple English.
Okay, let me try. I see a window. I see a computer. I see a blue notebook. My coffee is hot.
Perfect. That was amazing. You just practiced 4 sentences. Do this for 5 minutes a day. Describe what you are doing. I am opening the door. I am making lunch. This soup smells good. It feels silly, but it works magic.
I like that. No one hears my mistakes and I get confident. But what about pronunciation? I worry about saying things wrong.
A great worry. And for that, we have a super fun technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like following someone?
Yes, like a friendly shadow. You listen to a short, clear sentence, maybe from this video or a podcast, and you immediately repeat it. Try to copy the sound, the rhythm, the feeling, like an echo.
Can we try it?
Let's do it. I'll say a short phrase. You listen, then repeat right after me. Ready? Today is a beautiful day.
Today is a beautiful day.
Good. Again, try to copy my tone. Today is a beautiful day.
Today is a beautiful day.
Excellent. You see, you're training your ears and your mouth together. This is powerful stuff. Do this with just 1 or 2 phrases a day.
I will. So we focus on useful phrases and we say them out loud. That seems very active.
It is. Passive learning, just watching videos, is slow. Active learning, speaking, writing, doing, is fast. And this leads us to secret number 3. Make English a tiny habit, not a big homework.
A tiny habit? What does that mean?
It means connect English to something you already do every day. For example, when you drink your morning coffee, listen to an English song. Or while you wait for the bus, name 5 things you can see in English.
Okay, just 2 or 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Your brain learns with repetition. If you practice a little bit every day, English becomes a normal part of your life, not a scary subject. It's like watering a plant. A little water every day makes it grow.
I love that idea. It doesn't feel scary, it feels manageable. Okay, what about technology? There are so many apps and websites.
Secret number 4 is use technology as your friend, not your boss.
What's the difference?
A boss gives you stress. A friend helps you. Don't try to use 10 apps. Choose 1 or 2 that you enjoy. Maybe a vocabulary app like Duolingo or Memrise for 5 minutes a day. Maybe you watch one short YouTube video in English about something you love cooking, sports, music.
And subtitles?
Great question. If you are a beginner, use English subtitles. It helps you connect the sounds to the words. Don't use subtitles in your language if you can avoid it. Your brain will get lazy and just read.
Noted. English subtitles are my friend. What about talking to real people? That's the final goal, right?
It is. And that's secret number 5. Find your circle. You don't need to find a native speaker, find another learner. There are many friendly groups online. You can say, let's talk for 10 minutes. We can only use simple English. It's okay to make mistakes.
Because they understand the struggle.
Exactly. You support each other. And remember, the goal is communication, not perfection. If someone understands your meaning, you have succeeded. Mistakes are just signs that you are trying.
This is all so encouraging, Emily. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress.
100%. Let's do a quick recap for our friends. A what we learned today recap.
Okay. Secret 1, focus on less to learn more. Start with survival phrases you need every day.
Secret 2, your mouth needs to practice. Use self-talk and shadowing every day. Talk to yourself.
Secret 3, make English a tiny habit. Connect it to your daily routine for just 5 minutes.
Secret 4, use technology as your friend. Choose 1 or 2 apps you enjoy. Use English subtitles.
And secret 5, find your circle. Practice with other learners. Focus on communication, not perfection.
Beautiful recap, Paul. Now, here is your mission if you choose to accept it. This week, try just 2 of these secrets.
Yes, maybe choose self-talk for 5 minutes a day and use a tiny habit like listening to an English song while you make breakfast.
Perfect. Small steps lead to big changes.
And we want to hear from you. This is very important. Listeners, in the comments below, tell us which one secret are you most excited to try this week? Is it shadowing or finding a practice friend? Write it down. Making a plan is the first step to success.
We read every single comment. We are here to cheer for you. Your English journey is important to us.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow so we can make more videos for you.
And subscribe to Speak English channel. Hit that button so you never miss a new lesson. Share this video with a friend who is also learning. Let's learn together.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. Remember, every word you speak is progress. Be proud of yourself.
Keep going, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Goodbye.